here! So this is city living. Where am I? I better look at my map. It's so confusing. Hang on. I know where I am. I think. I'll go this way. Oh, someone's calling me. Hello? Oh hey, how's things? This place is huge! Oh my gosh, the party was amazing! Ow! What a great day! Oh, no! My delivery! I'll call you back. Okay, who threw the map? There's only one thing for it. A cooking challenge. This is your own fault. Okay. Huh? Where are we? The city scares me. I'm gonna enjoy this. Ready for the first challenge? It's delicious ramen. Ooh! Hey look!
What?
I love ramen! Huh? What am I supposed to do with this? I thought it would be ready to eat. A little help? Do I need to do everything? Okay. Whoa! Are you seeing this? How did you do that? It's mine! Let go! No! Never! I can't believe you did that! Hey, you were too slow. Looks like I'm cooking my ramen. I'll put the other block in the kettle. Then switch it on. It's a different way of cooking them, but hey, it works! My mouth is watering already. Just look at those noodles! They're ready! I can't wait to try them. But it needs something else. That's one happy-looking sausage! It sure is. But don't play with your food. Aw, come on, look at it! I'd eat it! I need to think of something. That's not gonna work. Why is this so difficult? Uncooked noodles aren't good. I don't know what to do. Now I feel bad. Maybe I can help. Hey, Tina! Psst. What is it now? Check this out! You can use it for your noodles! Really? Oh, this is a gooey booger. Okay, let's do this. I'll put some lettuce on it. It's like building a burger. I'll keep that for later. Hey, time's up! Phew. Just in time. It's not great, but it'll have to do. What have you done? That doesn't look good. Do I get something for trying? No. Look at Ava's dish. Her noodles are cooked. Looks like I win this round. Next up, we've got blueberries. Delicious, juicy, and healthy. Oh, nice. Wow. Wait, what's the button for? Don't look at me. David? What is this? Huh? Where did that come from? I'm just as confused as you. I'm gonna press it. Here goes. Ah! A snake! Aw, it's so adorable! I used to have one like this on the farm. Come here, little guy. You can stay down here. It's not a big deal. Okay, my turn. Let's do this. Look at that! It's a rolling pin! I wonder what I can cook with this. Muffins? Maybe not. Can I see your thoughts? Do I have superpowers? Shh, I'm trying to think. Ooh, a blueberry pie! That's a great idea! I'll start by rolling out the dough. I want it to be nice and even. I'll shape it into a circle. Next I need to make it into a lattice. But I have a quicker way. I'll use this to cut out squares. It makes it so much easier. Now I can put it on the pie. That looks yummy. I can't wait to have a slice. Whoa! You're blowing my mind! Can you believe I made this? You're making me look bad. Let's try this again. Don't let it be a snake! Is it bad? Oh, it's a poppet. See? I knew it would be okay. But what will I do with it? I could play with it while I eat the blueberries. Wait, I have an idea. I'll fill the poppet with the blueberries. Now I'll pour over the strawberry yogurt drink. This'll make it creamy. I'll make sure I cover every blueberry. That should do it. Then I'll add sprinkles. They're so colorful. And they're tasty. Now I'll freeze it. This looks good. It's like a popsicle. Wait, it's a puppet-sicle. Good one! No! I broke it! Oops. Poor Tina. I know what to do! Oh no! I accidentally ripped my pie! I'm so clumsy! How did you manage that? These things happen. Oh well. Thanks, Ava. Huh? What's happening? Sorry, I dozed off. What the? What happened to the pie? I, tripped. A lot happened while you were sleeping. There's only one fair result. You both lose.
No.
Whatever. Like we care. Wanna try it? Oh, yes, please. And I'll have a piece of pie. Ooh, it's good. It's tough thinking of challenges. Oh, I know. Here you… Wait.
Oops.
That's better. The next ingredient is strawberries. Together? Let's go! Wow! They look so juicy! I'm gonna have one. They're amazing! They're so fresh! Hey! Stop! I can't help it! You need some chocolate spread. It'll make them so much better. Take the blueberries and drop them into the chocolate. Then grab a spoon. Trust me, you'll love it. I should be a chef. Aw, come on! That's so unfair! Give me that! I'm gonna do something with this strawberry. I'll start by cutting the strawberry in half. I'll put it on the plate for now. I filled a syringe with the chocolate spread. I'll squirt it over the top of the strawberry, then press a blueberry onto it. Now I need a line of chocolate. And some dots. The syringe makes it easier. They look like ladybugs. They're so cute! It'd be a shame to eat them. Very inventive, Ava. Just hold on. I need to take a photo of this. It's art. Wow, that was pretty clever. I want one. They're mine! Oh my gosh, they're the best! Seriously, can I have one? Make your own. That's just mean. What will I do? This is tricky. Wait a minute. I've got an idea. I just need this wooden skewer. I'll put the strawberry on the skewer. Next, I'll make a cut in the strawberry. I'll only cut halfway down. Then I'll turn it and make another cut. That's perfect! Now I need spray cream. I'll push the nozzle into the strawberry and squirt the cream inside. And now I'll add sprinkles. I'll drizzle them over the cream. It looks good. What do you think, David? Pretty cool, huh? I'm proud of them. Wow, I'm getting so hungry. I love them, Tina. Really? Woohoo! Look, Ava. Well done, Tina. They're yummy. Yeah, well, so are these. Wait. Aw, I ate them all. That's the end of the round. But… Ava. Well, this is an easy decision. Tina wins. I knew it! I'm the greatest! Sorry, I'm just waiting for something. Ah, finally. Here's the next challenge. Oh, this'll be interesting. Let's get started. Come on. We get one potato? Potato down! Really? She must love potatoes.
Ew.
I got it! Are you crazy? This is a perfectly good potato. I'll have this for dinner. Girl, you have a problem. What can I do with this? I know! I'll peel the skin. Then I'll insert a wooden skewer. Now I'll make a cut in the potato. I'll spin the potato around as I cut it. Next, I will carefully pull the potato apart. I have a potato spiral! I'll place it on a plate with herbs and drizzle over olive oil. I just want to coat it lightly in the oil. Now I'll cook it. It's lovely and golden. It's something different. Admit it, you're jealous. I would totally eat this. So would I. Great job, Ava. Great. Now I'm under pressure. I need to think. I must have something I can use. Nope, that won't do. What are you doing? Do not throw that away! Potato chips? Wait! I can use these! I just need a garnish. This'll do. Wow, it looks great. Come on, seriously? That is such low effort. Not a fan, huh? I guess it's back to the drawing board. Oh, I know. I need my potato chips and a pot of boiling water. I'll add the chips to the water. I'll let them soften. I'll give it a stir. The chips are softening and breaking up. It looks like mashed potato. Now I can take it off the heat. That's more like it. It's perfectly seasoned, and now for some herbs. That's better. Well done, Tina. What? How did you do that? You must be a genius in the kitchen. I suppose I am. I wonder who will win this round. It'll be me. Both dishes look good, so… it's only fair it's a tie. You both get a point. Woohoo! Yeah, and then I got hit in the face with a map. Oops. Sorry, that was my mom. Here's the next excellent challenge. Yes! What am I gonna do? This might be a tough one. Oops! I can't believe you did that! Pretend you never saw that. They're eggs! They're fragile! I think I have an idea. I just need to check my cookbook. Wait. That's cheating. Hey! Get your own! Get your own! Maybe I don't need one. I can just use my phone. Let's see. Nah. Ugh. Ah, this is what I'm looking for. I'll buy that. Why are you looking so happy? Oh, that was quick! This is so exciting! Check this out! It's so creepy! Ava! Boo! Tina! Why would you do that? It was funny. I better get cooking. I'll place the mold in the pan. I've separated the eggs. I'll add the whites to the mold. I'll leave the eye section empty. The yolk can go in them. I don't want to spill it. Now for the second yolk. Now I need to let them cook. That should be long enough. I'm done! Wow! That looks great! Ava, are you seeing this? Outstanding! It's okay. I can still beat Tina. First, I need this blender. Wait, what are you doing? I'll crack the eggs into the blender. Wow, she made that look so easy. I need a few more ingredients. I've got onions, herbs, and tomatoes. Keep watching. Like I'm worried. These can go into the blender. Tickle, tickle! Stop it! Sheesh, lighten up. In go the herbs. Ah, smell that. It smells like onions. Great, now I'm crying. I have extra spicy hot sauce. No way! This is gonna pack some heat. Oh my gosh! That is way too much! No, it's not. Let's give it a whiz. I want to make sure it's smooth. That looks good. It's time to get cooking. I need a pan. Ava, I'm not sure about this. Relax, it'll be fine. Yuck. I don't think so. I'll be back in a minute. Where are you going? What is she doing? It's all under control! Is that smoke? Ava? Are you okay? Of course! Look at this! It smells divine! Are you kidding me? That looks amazing! David! Come on! I must win! I don't know, Ava. Both look good. I've made my decision. It's a tie! Yes! I won! I mean, I tied. Put it there. I'm so hungry. Oh, I know. The next challenge is a burger. My favorite. Let's go! Shouldn't there be meat or something? This is just the bun. Wow, this really is a challenge. I need to make a call. Hello? Who's she calling? Right away, thanks. Two can play that game. My trusty phone. I never leave home without it. What? Hello? Oh, hold on. Hello? This is so tragic. Where's my order? Ah, finally. Oh, right. Here. Ooh, that looks good. Really? Take it. My work is never done. Oh yeah, the challenge! Hello? Let's see what I've got. Smells good. Look at that. The perfect burger. And delivered on time, too. It beats cooking. Wow. It'll be tough to beat that. What am I gonna do? Ah! Here comes help! Wait, what's that? This is for you. Are you paying with milk? Can you do that? Look at all these goodies! I don't need this. Or this. Hey! Careful! Quit it! Stop! Ah, this'll do. I'll place a lettuce leaf on the bun and build up the layers. It's missing the burger, but it looks good. Wow, that looks delicious. It looks good, huh? Yeah, well, I have an actual burger. Over to you, David. Huh? Me? I would eat them both. This is hard. I don't know. Sorry, Tina. I think Ava has this one. Really? Wow! Thanks! Well done. I can't believe it! Ava and Tina had different cooking styles, but definitely served up some tasty treats. But what dish would you want to eat? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one.